how to insert the row for 100 rows like this, just 1 second. Please check it out. Okay, check it out. Check it out. Okay, are you ready? Wow. 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 It's very, very vast. Okay, please stay tuned and then don't go anyway. I will show you how to insert row like this, just 1 second. Okay, let me show you. Usually, the common people do like this. Right click, insert. Then right click, insert. Then right click, insert. Oh, it's still 100 rows. So it's not illogical. So I want to show you how to do like this, but in 1 second. Okay, the first one is you can click developer. Then make sure that the cursor put it in the first rows. Okay, the first. Then you can click use relative reference. After that, you can click record macro. Cut macro. Then you click shortcut key. Shortcut key. You can choose anything you want. Maybe O. Okay, O. Then OK. After that, you can insert in 7 rows. Insert. After that, stop recording. Okay, now you can run macro by click shortcut key that you choose before. In Pak tutorial, I choose Control O. Control O. Okay, let me show you. Pay attention. Control O. 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 Wow. Just 1 second. Okay, do you got it? Do you got it? Oh, I hope so. Thank you very much for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a good day. Goodbye.